What up, everybody? Welcome back to another LiveLeanTV vlog. We got a lot of good stuff for you today. What do we got? We're gonna head into the kitchen here shortly. We got a meal kit delivered to us from our friends at Sunbasket. We're gonna show you some of those meals.
Oh, the most amazing, most flavorful, and just healthy, delicious meals delivered to you in a box.
That's
You're
right.
gonna love it.
So we're gonna show you, we got 3 meals, we're gonna show you those. Also, I have a workout for you that only takes 4 minutes. No equipment whatsoever. You're gonna be shedding the body fat.
Yeah, and stay tuned for the whole video so you can find out if you're the subscriber winner. And you can also win the 60-minute swag if you hurry up and make a comment in the first hour.
Yeah, we post that at the end of the video, so keep watching. All right, it's time to share what's inside of a Sunbasket box by showing you this unboxing. We've worked with Sunbasket for a long time now. We've had probably over 20 meals delivered. They've all been healthy, delicious, and it's just such an easy meal solution because these meals are literally, they show up at your front door. If you follow any specific way of eating as well, you can personalize your weekly meal selections that fit any of their 11 meal plans. So they have Paleo, which is ones that we always go with because they're our favorites. They also have Gluten-Free, they have Vegan, Mediterranean, there's a Carb-Conscious one, and there's more there. So you can choose your meal selections from 18 dinner recipes, plus salads, snacks, and sauces. So having those meal kits delivered to your front door is not the only convenient aspect, guys. These ingredients in the meal kits, they're all pre-portioned out for you, and some of the meals can be prepared in 20 minutes or less. So the meal preparation, it's super easy, as Sunbasket also provides you with those step-by-step recipes. And guys, again, these recipes are freaking delicious. Plus, many of these meals include organic produce and sustainable ingredients from the best farms. That's, you guys know we always talk about high quality ingredients. The higher the quality, the more nutrient rich they're gonna be, and the better they're gonna be for your body and your health. Now there's also provide you with a wide range of healthy quality proteins, and we always talk about the healthier the animal, the healthier the meat's gonna be for you. So the meats, the poultry, they come from trustworthy ranchers who farm responsibly raised, antibiotic and hormone-free animal proteins. And if you have recipes with fish, the fish is wild caught and the seafood is sustainably sourced. And all the carbohydrates, guys, they all come from high quality sources. Now, one of the things that we love about Sunbasket as well is the herbs and the spices that we don't normally use or we don't normally think about using. They come in the meal kits, and in my opinion, they are the secret weapons to turn, you know, your typical fitness foods like the chicken breast, the salads, they turn those into delicious and flavorful meals. Hey! So I highly recommend you check out Sunbasket, guys. I'm going to include a link and a coupon code in the video description below. You can get $45 off your order, including $35 off the first week and $10 off the second week. As I mentioned, guys, we've been getting meals from Sunbasket now for over 2-3 years, and they've been absolutely delicious. Check out that link in the video description below. Use that coupon code and start getting these delicious meals delivered to your door. Third step. Alexa, off. Guys, that is another amazing meal from our friends at Sunbasket. If you're not in the Sunbasket family yet, guys, highly recommend it. Alexa, off. My kids are more obedient than Alexa is.
Fantastic.
Is it fantastic, Mommy?
It's fantastic.
Is it family approved?
It's so flavorful, like amazing. And stuff I wouldn't typically think of. Like charring scallions. Like who does that? Who thinks of that?
Mommy approved.
I love
Infant approved, toddler approved, and even pug approved.
No.
And of course, Daddy approved. Enough talking, let's eat.
Yummy lettuce. Welcome to Cooking with Kyla. What are you making tonight, babe?
Lego.
Oh yeah? Ooh, that looks like a good recipe.
What's up, guys? Just back here at the track. Gonna get in just a quick 4-minute Tabata workout. Now I'm gonna use the bleachers. This one's like a fast feet. It's gonna get your heart rate jacked very quickly. So if you have access to a bleacher like this, then do it. But you don't need bleachers, you can do outdoor stairs. You can even do this at your home, as you're gonna be able to see. Get this workout in, you're gonna love it. right, guys, that is the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. The keyword for the podcast hashtag to get your questions answered is hashtag Sunbasket. Also, the subscriber winner for being a subscriber, just by clicking that subscribe button, we're picking a winner, is right here. And guys, comment down below. In the first 60 minutes, we're gonna pick one person to win Live Lean Meltdown. So all you have to do, turn those notifications on, first of all, so you're notified once the video's up. Leave a comment down below. What do we want to hear from them in the comment below?
Your favorite part of this video. Leave us a timestamp so
Simple.
we know what you like and what you want to see more of. Thanks so much for watching.
You're so cute.
You're cute.
All right, guys, we love you. Keep
Living
living lean. Boy.